is right there with him though. Oh, and there's a mistake. Oh, Kennedy trying up the inside. This is the final lap, guys. And they're all battling for position. Only 2 guys will transfer out of this.
Well, folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Holy moly, we got the bump to the C main. I've gone from the E to the D. Now we're going into the C for e-buggy. Another 10-minute race. We'll see if we can make it into the B, because from the C there's 6 bump up spots. So I have a more than 50-50 chance of getting another bump. So we'll see if we can do it. Tekno EB48 2.0. E-buggy C main.
There are marshals out there, please. I need somebody for 4 and 8. Thank you guys very much. Got Sean headed to the 6th shot.
All right, we're about to do this again.
Looks like we are. How's it look, guys? I think we're good. All right, guys, take a lap. Let's do it.
What done wrong? Done wrong. 15 seconds to the start of the race. Ball.
Do I have Patronus on the 10? Patronus on the 10? There it is. Thank you, sir.
I'm the last bump, starting in P10.
7. Our balls are 8. John Hollistel 9 and John Kennedy 10. There we go, guys. We got a grid. We got our drivers. This is your C main of Winnie's Electric Buggy. The top 6 are moving on to the B main. Top 6 are moving on. Corner marshals ready. Drivers ready. Going racing on the sound of the tone in less than 5.
Look too hard.
Here we go, guys. Keep it clean. Keep it clean. We're in these higher mains now. I want you to act like it. That was not clean. All right, they worked it out. Good job waiting up. Contact happens. If you give it back, then that's fine.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh no, looks like Carbonell having a problem? No, Carbonell's fine. He's all right. Another similar color car having a small issue on the start, but we're good. Looks like it might have been Peter All having a little glitch right there, but he's back going. All right, Kevin Carbonell taking off in the C main. He has been showing pace all weekend, right on top of the field in electric truggy. Followed up with a whole bunch of you guys. Johnny, Randy. Oh, Randy crashing out of 2nd. Hollistel moving up to 2nd now. From 9th on the grid to 2nd. Hollistel picking up the pieces. And that X-ray machine is going to be moving his way to the front. Felipe Bedard in 3rd. Followed by Randy. Reimer makes a move to the inside. He's going to get 3 in 1 corner. Wow. Randy comes back out with the preferred line right there. These guys are going at it. Doug Reimer continuing his absolute amazing bump run here. Carbonell, Hollistel, Randy, Reimer, our top 4, followed by Ross, Bedard, Kennedy, Mitchell, all then Carl Balzer. That is my grid so far. Oh, Ross almost saved it. Gets a little assistance from Kennedy. But he just lost about 5 spots in 1 corner. That's how fast it happens. Carbonell still up front, 7.5 second lead over John Hollistel in the 2nd spot. Followed by the freight train of Randy, Reimer, Bedard, Mitchell, Ross, Auld, Kennedy, and Balzer. Oh no, we got trouble. We got 2 getting tangled, Peter and Adam. And clear. Both drivers having mistakes. Watch the ski jump. He's on the other side here, Brandon. Feel free to put him there. There you go. Help him out a little bit. There you go. And go. Thank you, sir. All right. Carbonell down the front straightaway. KCRC representing out front. Mr. Carbonell coming into the big double right now. It lands it beautifully in that Tekno machine. 2nd place going to be John Hollistel. Oh, inside move by Randy. Johnny moved up to 2nd, Hollistel 3rd. And there's Doug Reimer in the 4th. These guys got to be smart about it here. They're all moving on to the next race if they can work together. Remember, drivers, top 6 are moving on. Top 6 are moving on to this one. Hollistel smartly gives room for Reimer. See if he can fall in behind him now. 3 down, 7 to go. Hollistel is a wily veteran. He knows that he'll probably get that spot back later if these guys have a mistake. On-road racers know what's up. They know how to strategize races. I'm sure he'd agree with me on that one. Full trouble on the kicker from Hollister. He's all clear though. Oh, Brennan going down on all fours. Ron was there to cover and we're clear. Luckily it was a soft hit there for Brennan. No injuries. Oh, Peter in trouble in the center there. Lays it right over on the lid. Clear. So Hollister now has a little bit of room, but not much. Mitchell 5th. Balzer 6th. Followed by Kennedy now in the 6th spot. Balzer loses 4 spots in one exchange. Carbonell gets around him as well. Oh, this is not a good lap. Not getting any better either. Inside move, Reimer. Nice pass on Randy. Nice and clean. Clean as a whistle. Oh, Randy back up the inside, but Doug taking it back again. Those guys having a good race. So Reimer moving up to that 2nd spot. Still have Kalen Carbonell out front by about 3 seconds over Doug. Doug 2nd, Randy right behind him in 3rd. Looking right inside pass, can't quite get it there. It's going to be Hollister still in 4th. Mitchell, Ross, Kennedy, Bedard, Balzer, and Peter all. Not even halfway yet, still plenty of time guys. 5:20 to go. 5:20 to go. This is Electric Buggy C-Main, race 23, B-Main Nitro Buggy up next. B-Main Nitro Buggy up next. Cross on the big double, guys. Careful on the big double. And clear, clear, clear. Nice shot. Oh, Adam Ross, lawn dart. Oh, Mitchell in trouble on the hay bale. He's probably stuck in the twine. Yes, he is. Mitchell getting arrived. Marshall gets him out, but that's going to cost him a couple of spots there. How far will Mitchell fall? I'm looking. Uh-oh, we got trouble in that uphill anthill. Oh boy. It's all coming apart here. Reimer followed by Randy. Hollister still in 4th. Looks like it's going to be Ross in 5th. Looking for 6th. It might be Kennedy now. I believe it is John Kennedy in that 6th spot now. Let's see how it shakes out. Still got plenty of time left, guys. 6 minutes down, 4 minutes to go. 6 down, 4 to go.
4 minutes left.
Carbonell last time 23.9. Him and Doug Reimer 2 seconds apart. Reimer right there behind him as they go down the ski jump. Ross will have the leaders on the way. Adam, you're in 5 right now. You're in a transfer spot. Oh, we got one that's falling down the hill. That is going to be Peter, so now a battle for position there. He lets them all by. Meanwhile, Randy and Hollister battling out for that 3rd spot. And Randy going to give it to Hollister that time with a mistake off the ski jump. 7 down, 3 to go, guys. 7 down, 3 to go.
3 minutes left.
Carbonell, Reimer, Hollister, Randy, Ross, and Bedard by transfers right now. Kennedy going to try to make a pass here on Bedard down the kicker. They've got Mitchell right behind him as well, so 3 cars right there in the same airspace. And Kyle not far behind him either. Carbonell, one more time around the hills. He's still got Doug right behind him. 2:30 to go. Carbonell and Reimer now are 6/10 apart. Hollister still at 3 spot. Randy right behind him. After that, we're going to have Adam Ross in the 5 spot. He's got that well on hand right now. So Adam just cruising it here with 2 minutes to go. So Bedard, Kennedy, Mitchell, and Balls are going to battle it out for this final spot on the grid for the transfer. Final 2 minutes, guys. 8 down, 2 to go. 8 down, 2 to go. Carbonell and Reimer coming into traffic. Mitchell, Randy, and Hollister. Be careful, guys. Thank you, guys. This is a battle for the win, so I understand you guys are battling for positions, but this is a bit more pressing right now. And Hollister and Randy, you guys have a big gap back to fifth, so no worries for you guys in terms of transferring. And the leaders are behind you, Carbonneau and Reimer. Leaders over the double, got a little bit short. Oh, you'll save it though, no problems. Thank you, Mr. Randy. One more Carl to come to the kicker. Oh no, Carbonneau makes a mistake off the kicker, and he's going to give the lead to Doug Reimer. Reimer going to win again, maybe? Oh my goodness. The invoice will be in the mail, Mr. Reimer, for 6 times worth the entry fee cost. 9 down, 6 to go, or 9 down, 1 to go. I'm sorry. I'm thinking of the Metro race. Doug Reimer, Kevin Carbonneau, our top 2, followed by Hollistel, Randy, Ross, Bedard, our top 6. Kennedy still right there behind Bedard. Philippe's got to keep it clean for 45 more seconds. And Carl right there as well. Oh, Carl knows it in. Oh, he rolls it over on the 7 cone. That's going to cost him. Reimer still trying to get home here. 30 seconds to go. He's probably going to get one more lap. It's going to be close though. Hollistel crosses for his final lap. Balzer for one more lap. Carbonneau for one more lap. As well as Johnny Rennie. Let's watch Bedard and Kennedy. They're working their way over that tabletop. Adam Ross is right there with him though. Oh, Adam makes a mistake. Oh, Kennedy trying up the inside. This is the final lap, guys. And they're all battling for position. Only 2 guys will transfer out of this. Ross, Bedard, and Kennedy. Here they go, the big double. All 3 hit it clean. To the ski jump they go. Can Ross hang on? Oh, Kennedy sends it off the ski jump, and that might be the end. Ross going to finish up in 5th. He holds on barely. Philippe Bedard in 6th. He will transfer as well. Waiting for a couple guys to finish. Doug Reimer is now done.
Oh, so close, Bedard, so close.
Everybody's done. Doug Reimer wins again. Kevin Carbonneau going to be 2nd. Hollistel 3rd. Randy, Ross, and Bedard, your transfer.
Just missed it. Just missed it. Alright, finished 7th, just missed the bump up. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.